Let us see a problem based on electric field. A block of mass M carrying a charge of Q is placed on an inclined plane as shown in the figure. This angle is theta and a uniform electric field is applied such that this block is at rest. The problem is to find out what is the expression for the electric field. We have to find out the electric field needed to keep this block at rest. Now, let us see the various forces acting on this block. Gravitational force is acting in the downward direction, mg. Then this inclined plane is exerting a normal force in that direction. Then force due to electric field is acting in this direction. Now this is the free body diagram for this. Here, gravitational force is acting in the downward direction, mg. Then normal force is acting along this direction and the force due to electric field is acting along this direction. Now this mg can be split into two components. This component is mg cos theta, this component is mg sin theta. This angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. When this is theta, when you extend this here 90, so this angle will be 90 minus theta. So this will be theta. This is totally 90, so this is 90 minus theta, so this is theta. So this mg can be resolved into two components. This component where it is making theta, that component is mg cos theta. Perpendicular to that is mg sin theta. Then for convenience, you take x-axis along the inclined plane and this is the y-axis. Then the split, mg is split into two components, mg sin theta and mg cos theta. Body is at rest, so the total force acting along the x-axis should be 0. mg sin theta is acting in the downward direction, so it is along the positive x-axis, so it is I cap. Force due to electric field is acting along this direction, that is along the negative x-axis, so negative I cap. Since the body is at rest, net force is 0. So we can write like this. From this I, so we are interested only in its magnitude, so we can write like this. After removing this I, we can write like this. After rearranging this, QE is equal to mg sin theta. So expression for E is mg sin theta divided by Q. Then for this sin theta, we can write opposite side by hypotenuse, so H by L. So electric field needed to keep this block depends on the mass. Heavier the body, more electric field is needed. Charge on the body is more, less electric field is enough. So it is Q is in the denominator, so it is inversely proportional to the charge. Then H is in the numerator, so it is directly proportional. The electric field is directly proportional to H and inversely proportional to L.